Senator Risa Hontiveros Lam suspended Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Go for posting statements on her social media instead of attending the Senate hearings. In a video on Friday, July 19, Hontiveros quips that Go has more posts on Facebook than the number of times she attended the Senate's probe into illegal Philippine offshore gaming operators in Tarlac.
Mayor Alice Go o Go Huaping, mas marami pa kayong post sa Facebook kaysa pag-attend sa Senate hearing. Attendance before the Senate hearings is adherence to the rule of law. So, sadly for you, hindi katumbas ng attendance mo sa Senado ang mayat-maya mong pagsusocial media. Huwag kayong mag-alala, hindi kami fixated sa'yo. Allergic lang kami sa mga sinungaling.
In a Facebook post on Thursday, July 18, the mayor said she regrets skipping the previous Senate hearings, citing her need to prioritize her health due to severe exhaustion and trauma. Citing Go's remark on prioritizing her health to properly address the legal issues against her, Hontiveros says Go will not achieve peace of mind if she keeps avoiding questions thrown at her.
Paano ka magkakaroon ng peace of mind kung palagi ka nalang iiwas sa mga tanong? Kung nakakalimutan mo, pinapatawag ka dahil nasa gitna ka ng pang-aabuso ng POGO sa mga batas namin na hinayaan mong lumawak dahil sa impluwensya mo bilang mayor. Nagsinungaling ka tungkol sa koneksyon mo sa POGO. Nagsinungaling ka tungkol sa pagkatao mo. At kada login mo sa Facebook, may bago ka na namang iniimbento.
On July 13, the Senate issued an arrest order against Go and 7 others for skipping the July 10 hearing of the Senate committee probing into the illegal operations of POGOs in Tarlac. Based on the arrest order, Go's non-attendance in the Senate hearings delayed, impeded, and obstructed the investigations on reports of human trafficking, physical torture and violence, and serious illegal detention done by illegal POGOs. Go has repeatedly denied her involvement in POGO-related crimes.